If you've ever dreamed of becoming a profitable software vendor, this is your chance, the perfect time to start a new SaaS business. Your own video and banner ad software. Ready to sell today? Establish yourself as the biggest software, video and banner marketing agency with the most sophisticated technology and tools in the market. Perfect for agencies and video marketers. Upload your own logo, sell under your brand, pocket 100% revenue. Wow. We all know that the use of videos, virtual tours and banner ads is truly game-changing. Why else would established brands and local businesses invest millions on videos and banner ads? It is the most wanted solution of our times when every business is trying to sell digitally. Sure, you could continue selling one video at a time for a small meager amount and get on board this evergreen trend. Or, you could take maximum advantage of this huge demand and sell any or all of the four most sophisticated video and banner apps themselves and make big bucks. Sounds good? Wait until you read the rest. Everything is done for you to make instant profits. Get 4 agency apps and sell directly to clients or on freelance sites, plus keep 100% of all profits. Get access to 4 futuristic apps with white label rights for the price of a single app. Sell all 4 apps individually or as a full-blown package to pocket massive profits. Offer access for a one-time price or a monthly recurring subscription to create a never-ending passive income. 4x profits with included commercial license. Use all 4 apps for your own use as well as for clients. 100% newbie-friendly. Cloud-based, no technical experience needed. Step-by-step training plus customer support for your customers included. Profit big with White Label Studio in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, get access. Step 2, click to rebrand all 4 apps as your own. Step 3, sell and pocket 100% revenue. Then, instant sales. Multiply your income. Automated work agency domination. Unconditional support. Uncut profit. Limitless flexibility. Absolute power and joy. Quick start your own successful software agency without the hassle of creating even a single product. So, pay once and profit forever. Start your own software agency with full white label rights today.